Apple has just unveiled its iPhone 17 series, and this year it's all about power, precision, and pro-level performance packed into sleek, ultra-modern designs. From the cutting-edge iPhone 17 Pro built for creators and power users, to the incredibly light and thin iPhone 17 Air, and the versatile standard iPhone 17. For everyday users, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to check the description for full pricing, availability, and detailed specs links. Starting at the top, the iPhone 17 Pro is Apple's most advanced iPhone yet. It features a heat-forged aluminum unibody design with a laser-welded vapor chamber that keeps the A19 Pro chip cool, allowing for sustained peak performance even during intensive gaming or 4K video editing. The Pro model sports an immersive Pro display, ideal for HDR content and professional color accuracy. Photography is taken to the next level with four 48-megapixel fusion cameras, including ultra-wide, wide, telephoto, and macro lenses, offering an incredible 16 times optical zoom range and industry-leading low-light performance. On the front, the 18-megapixel center stage camera expands automatically for group selfies and ultra-stable video calls. Filmmakers and content creators will love features like ProRes RAW video, Dolby Vision 4K at 120 frames per second, and Genlock support, making this iPhone capable of Hollywood-level production workflows. Combined with long battery life, Apple Intelligence, and iOS 26, the iPhone 17 Pro delivers the ultimate combination of speed, precision, and creative control for those who demand the absolute best. The iPhone 17 Air redefines portability without compromising power. Measuring just 5.6 millimeters thin and weighing 165 grams, it's Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, yet it still packs the A19 Pro chip, a large immersive display, and all the smart features users love. The Air model is perfect for users who want a lightweight, elegant device that handles demanding apps, gaming, and multitasking effortlessly. Its 48-megapixel fusion main camera and 18-megapixel center stage front camera let you capture high-quality photos, portraits, and videos with ease, while advanced computational photography handles low-light conditions like a pro. With Dolby Vision 4K video, next-generation photographic styles, and intuitive Apple Intelligence for smart scene detection, the iPhone 17 Air feels like a flagship device that's designed for everyday convenience and creative expression. Its remarkably thin form factor, combined with premium build materials, makes it not just functional but stylish, a perfect balance of performance and portability for anyone looking to carry pro features in a super slim package. The standard iPhone 17 offers a versatile, high-performance experience for everyday users. While it's lighter on pro-level camera features, it still delivers a 48-megapixel fusion camera system, 24-megapixel default photography, and computational photography powered by the A19 chip, making it ideal for stunning photos, creative portraits, and sharp video capture. Its display is immersive, bright, and responsive, supporting Dolby Vision content for crisp video playback, and the device runs iOS 26, providing seamless multitasking and access to Apple's rich ecosystem. The standard iPhone 17 is designed for users who want reliable performance, excellent battery life, and a premium build without stepping into the high-end Pro or Air models. From gaming to streaming and everyday productivity, this iPhone is a perfect balance of performance, value, and cutting-edge features, making it the go-to device for anyone who wants the latest Apple technology in a more approachable package. Whether you're snapping photos, recording videos, or managing media-heavy apps, the iPhone 17 ensures a smooth and powerful experience for all users. Whether you're eyeing the Pro, Air, or standard iPhone 17, Apple has pushed the limits of design, performance, and innovation with this lineup. From professional-grade photography and filmmaking to ultra-thin portability and everyday versatility, there's an iPhone 17 for every type of user. If you want full specs, pricing, and detailed comparisons, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the latest tech updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new iPhone, breakdown, or gadget review in 2025.